being present visually.
I want to see your mug.
I don't feel like being present visually, my friend. Yesterday I was working on the box. We're gonna eventually have some jumping where you jump and you can do damage that way. Obviously I gotta fix some colors on it, but that's fine. Well, we can figure that out later. Today I was actually watching some really cool new features for like animating. And it's like one of those bittersweet things where it's like, oh, this looks so sick, and then I'm thinking to myself, I don't even know if I can use this on the phone. Like, I don't think this is performant on like a mobile device. Makes me sad. To defy it, to deify it, to defy. Sounds like toot.
Rootin' tootin'.
Kid Kaboot. We are live and streaming. Oh man. I need to get back on a good like sleeping schedule. I've not been on a good sleeping schedule, like at all, for the past couple of days. But other than that, how's everything? Did you check out that video I sent you, Googs?
I did not. I did see it though.
You should look it up, man. It's procedural music in Unreal Engine.
Oh, let me watch it. Oh, it's 30 minutes long. Oh.
30. You're really that scared of a 30-minute educational video, man?
Yes.
Yes. You sound so depressed when you said that. Yes.
Yeah.
What's up, Chase Lee, by the way? I gotta turn you up. You're at 100%. What's going on? What's going on? Hello, where's Chase? Chase is, he's chasing Greg. He's out. Music is really loud. Really. What about that?
Yes.
Is that better?
Yeah. Where is Chase, actually? That's a very good question.
Oh wait, are we on stream now? Do I have to actually behave myself and like not be a screaming
Yes.
Okay. Screaming banshee?
Yes. He's like, I have to say it. I have to finish the sentence.
Well, I was gonna say something else and then I realized it could maybe get you banned. Even though probably not.
That's better. Sweet. I'm happy the music is now subtle enough that it's not destroying your ears. Or actually, now that I think about it, we need to destroy your ears. Yeah, let's blast it, baby. Let's go.
7 dB, remember. If you're not redlining, you're not headlining.
If you're not redlining, you're not headlining. I like it.
That's an old an old phrase in the producing community.
Nice effects. We got a ton of, I was looking at attenuation a little bit yesterday. Essentially what that is like, you know, I won't hear the Slithians walk wherever they are on the map. So, I think that would be nice. We'll get into that later, though. For now, I just want to make sure that they actually start turning correctly. But for those of you who haven't seen, let's save that really quick. That's not the map at all. This is the map. This is the map. We still gotta fix the color, but yeah, the box is working. I want to incorporate like a jump break type of thing. I really like that, where you hit it and it bounces you. Chase. Chase, welcome into the stream. Buenos, Chase, Owl, welcome, welcome, one and all. This feels like a low energy day for me. I'm gonna be completely real with you guys. A very low energy day. All right, let's open the Slithian up. Let us open him up and see what he contains. My brain can function. Tasks and services. Tasks and services. So right now, wait. I think it's like that. And then like that. On blend out. Let me just do blend out seems weird. I thought that was like when it was complete. Someone upset Chase Lee again. Chase Lee, why you been so grumpy lately, man? Why you been so grumpy, dude? You know what it is? He hasn't gotten Greg's in a long time. That must be it. There has not been Greg's. Let's see what happens if I make these on success. There's so much that I have to do with this, and I'm getting kind of sad. It feels like we have a long time until this is actually complete. Just because one of the biggest issues, and I'll show you guys, I'll try to keep it on the screen, is that, let's say if I play, right, we run like this. Run him over here a little bit. I'll drag it back on the screen. Just give me one moment. Come on. Turn around, you. Turn around, you. Okay, so that broke. At least that broke. We've been having instances where he won't come out of, oh, yeah, it's working. Okay. I'm actually happy. We were having an issue where it would dance between these two. And it was super frustrating because I couldn't figure out how to fix it. I guess it just fixed. Bueno stole your cookie. Well, he's hungry all the time, dude. What do you expect? That's why you don't keep your cookies near him. That's like putting a soda or like a drink on the side, like on the corner of a table, and expecting someone not to walk by and knock it off. All right. Buenos, I'm gonna need you to calm down, dude, before I get uncalm. You need pipeline revamp. Me? What type of pipeline revamp? For what? The entirety of this? I'm just kind of working on this on a what's it called basis. On a what do I feel like doing today basis. A lot of it is just learning how to do things, how things work. That's what a lot of this has been, is just me trying to figure out how something works, how I can make things move in between one another. Buenos, you can't talk anymore. You're in jail for 2 seconds. All right, you can talk again. You're out of jail, dude. Congratulations, you're a free man. Just don't do it again, okay? So what are you up to today, Googs? What are you?
Well, I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so I'm kind of just finishing up the things that I had going, and...
You're going on vacation tomorrow? Where are you going?
I'm going, to a town near me, of which I'm not going to disclose, online.
That's smart.
But, yeah, it's a town that's probably about 5 hours from where I live, and just gonna spend a couple days there. It's a heritage town.
Oh, that should be easy to pinpoint. Thanks for
Yeah, you know, from the 40,000 heritage town.
I would laugh. I'd be like, how many dang heritage towns are there in Canada? What's going on?
Did you?
Everything's a heritage.
In front of your 2 viewers. Oh my gosh, how dare you.
Dude, I have 4 viewers across all platforms, okay? And it grows, right?
Oh,
You
did
can't
you
just
stop
expect
saying
everyone
live?
to just join in, all right? You need to learn to respect.
Your 4 viewers. Your 4 viewers.
Okay, these viewers, okay, are worth $1 million to me, all right? You hear that, chat? I love you guys. Chase, Owl, Buenos,
Well, Chase is my
Lurker on Twitch. I love you guys. You guys are the best support group, and I'm so appreciative of each and every single one of you. Just showing up, man. Y'all the champs.
I just joined the YouTube thing. What? Owl? You mean I'm gonna be a cowboy? What?
Googs is gonna be a cowboy. Yeah, he's gonna have a hat and everything, and the little sputters. What are they called on the booties? On the boots?
Spurs?
Yeah, there we go. Spurs.
Gosh. The Canadian has to help the American out on what friggin' cowboy.
I'm not a cowboy, dude. Do I look like I know cowboy terminology? This ain't freaking the 1800s no more. This ain't the early 1900s.
I hate Arthur Morgan.
You think I got words or enough RAM in my head to remember all these words?
Well then, by that argument, since I've been on this earth only half as long as you have, why do I know what they're called?
That's because you like cowboys, man.
No.
See? You probably have ridden a horse more times than I have, too.
I have never ridden a horse, actually.
Shut up, Gooks, and get on my horse.
18 naked oh wait, no. Right.
Hey, TOS, man. This is Christian friendly, okay? Someone time him out really quick, please.
I mean...
I'm trying to figure out what I can do to make this work. I mean, I have a full animation. The root motion isn't working. Like, he should turn because he hears me. It should play the animation. You hear me. And then he just does this for eternity. This is him. Imagine if this was you and you were just stuck like this forever. That's him. See, it keeps calling turn to player because he's not fully turning to me. I feel like I need to update his path or maybe even use motion warping. I don't know. I might have to use motion warping to get this situated. But from what it looks like is he's stuck. Let's actually look at this animation. It should be playing the whole entire animation. We should have like a whole, yeah, there's literally a whole rotation animation here. Rotation animation, why aren't you working for me? Turn left start. Let's try doing the start. Let's just type in start in here. Let's see what happens. Turn left start. See, this is what I'm talking about. I don't know like where I should put what or what I need to put. We got Googs just in chat being like, yeah. Yeah. I like how he heard me, but he definitely sees me. I just need to turn the... If we go like this and we look, you'll see that the green is a representation of his vision. The red and yellow is his hearing. Come on, turn around, you. Turn around, you.
I'm behind you.
Come on, dude. Don't act like you don't know what to do. Don't act like you don't know what to do, Chase Lee. Chase is being stubborn today. Tonight. That's how tired I am, guys. I still think it's nighttime.
No, you're just predicting the future. You just know that he's gonna be, tonight.
Yeah, 100%. He's asking for some chocolate, Googs. Yeah, he's just doing this. And I'm assuming because it's not it's completing, but it's not blending out, and that's why we're getting this discrepancy where he's not completely turning into the next stage.
Yeah, I can get behind that. I can get behind that conspiracy.
Maybe Raleigh is in Asia and he didn't tell us. Maybe.
Yeah, he is.
Maybe I'm in Africa chilling with cool people, and you guys are just wherever you are, you know.
Or just the little stinkers.
Little stinker butts.
What was that about just being Christian friendly?
I gotta get that devlog out. I haven't worked on it. I keep having to stream, man. I need to time manage better. It's hard with a family and kid, yo. Especially when you're trying to be... I'm just gonna have to get used to the fact that these devlogs are never gonna be what I want them to be. I'm just gonna stop being so particular about them. I'm just gonna get straight to the point on these devlogs, guys, in the future. I'm just gonna be like, yep, this is what we did. It's been 84 years. 84 years and 55 million tears. Still work? Not working. What? Why?
What the hell happened to the message I just sent? What?
The turn montage. We obviously have we don't have a turn montage. Why is this lying to me? I mean, we get the turn montage over here, don't we? Where do we get the turn montage? We do, right here, as the enemy character. You know, it's probably, I mean, he's turning, so there's got to be a turn montage being played. Turn montage. We have to have this, though, so, you know, in the future, any turn montage we put in the enemy. I mean, he's turning now, but look, he does a full 360. He kind of breaks a little bit, too. We got Safe coming in. I live in Ireland, guys. Ooh, they shouldn't be long. All you need is some clips and what you have done and plan to do next. They got, you know, I want them to be fun. I mean, yeah, look, see? And then he turns. He does a full 360 before he sees me. Like, what is that? It should play once. The root motion itself should... Does root motion, if anyone knows, does that control the rotation? How to update character's position. I know how to update the character position with a montage or root motion. Maybe there's something in the animation. Unreal. It's unreal. Alright. These are just... Do you have root motion on? Yeah, I do. I'll show you really quick. Oh my gosh. See? Root motion. Anim first. Use root bone position on first frame of animation. Use reference pose root bone animation. Transform. Identity. Maybe I use 0. No, because that would mean, you think, right? Like this would essentially turn him. So that'd be the root motion. But I guess it really just means to move it. It has nothing to do with the actual turn. I mean, it probably does, but hear me out here. You know.
Ain't nobody hearing you out.
You shut up.
Okay.
You hear this guy insulting me on my own stream? Lesser men have been kicked. I'm joking.
Lesser men have been killed for
Character
more.
movement. Really? In the character movement, there's allow physics rotation during anim root motion. So you're telling me that's what I needed? If that works, I'll dance and sing songs and chase. I mean, that worked. Kind of. He just had to play the animation 1,000. Nope, nope, look. Look. He was like, I'm going to rotate a couple of times and not even see him. You know, like, because I know the animation is by no means necessarily a good one. But it's just there so I can learn how to do it and then actually create something cool and decent. I don't want to pour hours into an animation and then not know how to do this. Plus it gives me time to actually practice on how one would even do that. Maybe I draw just let's actually see what's going on. Show collisions. I mean, did anyone see that root motion even go? Show collisions. Yeah, he's not even the capsule isn't even rotating. You'll see with mine, it actually rotates, right? You'll see that this rotates. Where's face cam? I don't feel like showing my face today. I don't feel like being present visually here on the stream. It's one of those mornings where I just don't want to do nothing. I am tired. I want to go to bed. No one gave me my 9-9 milk. And I blame it on Googs.
Of course you do. Whenever something goes wrong, he blames it on me. He has me chained to a wall in his basement and I'm fed scraps.
Safe, no talking about knives in here, dude. What I told you about weapon talk in here, man. If you don't know how to swing with your hands, then you ain't a man, brother. You need to get you in some martial arts classes and get you. Tired of hearing all this knife talk and gun talk. Well, you're not safe, dude? Is everything okay at the house? He was being rude. You know, Chase has been kind of rude recently.
Where is Safe in the Discord server? He's never here.
Oh yeah, he got banned a while ago from making Buenos.
Oh. Safe, how
Chase,
could you?
Lee, or Raleigh. All the options are Chase. All the options are Chase.
Well, yeah, that makes.
That's not fair. And we all pick. You all pick the third one. That's the one I was gonna pick too.
That's called democracy.
That's not democracy. That's a dictatorship. You guys are dictatoring in my own dictatorship.
This is.
I'm supposed to be the tyrant here. This is ridiculous.
This is what we call a democracy.
Yeah.
This is.
Have you ever seen?
This is ridiculous. That's like if I went like this. Here, let me poll real quick. I need to create a poll. Who's cooler? Raleigh or Raleigh? Or Raleigh or Chase? Yeah, sorry. Chase. And then I put Raleigh.
Yeah.
And then got rid of every other answer. That's essentially what you guys did. That's what you did. You didn't even give me a fighting chance.
Hey, nobody.
Guys, just don't vote.
Nobody vote. Just nobody vote.
One voted. Yes. Yes.
That was Raleigh, wasn't it?
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. You look on my stream. You guys are watching the stream.
Oh no, it was Owl.
Thank you, Owl.
Oh,
Owl's the best, man. Not only did he
Now
come up
Owl's
with the
the
super
best.
sick symbol yesterday, but now he's showing me friendship. I wish you guys would show me some friendship once or twice throughout the day.
dude.
I stream, I engage, I chat, I work. Right? This is the thanks I get.
Yes. This is my way of showing you love.
Your love stinks, and I hate it. I'm joking, by the way. I appreciate it. Can't make me laugh. All right, so back to turning.
Who is better, Googs or Raleigh?
How are we getting 3 votes when? Oh, that was yeah. How are we getting Ruffle? We got Ruffle. I don't even know who Ruffle is.
That's the bot.
AI.
Ruffle voted for me, dude. The bot voted
Yeah,
for me. Even the bot knows who's.
Yeah, the bot voted for both of us.
Oh, that's true. Ruffle. I don't like this bot, man. Why don't you just add the poll? If you click the add button, you can create a poll.
Nah.
This is all based.
Oh.
Yeah, this is my vote.
This is ridiculous. Update.
Oh, well, don't be doing that.
Is there any way you know what? I have to do that's the only way I think to get the rotation of the player or the remotion is by adding some
You
form
chat
of
GPT.
chat GPT. I don't feel like using him today. I don't feel like reading. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, make sure to like the stream. Click the like button. And also make sure to subscribe a whole bunch. Chaseley, once again, thank you for the 5 millionth subscribe. I really appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Doing that for me. I'm just going to track, insert, notify, warp. Maybe I need to warp. Instead of warping to a position, I just warp the rotation. Add, notify state, motion warp. The only thing that stinks is I'm gonna have to do this for everything.
Yes.
Stop it, you. So in here we get this, but we do a whole bunch of other stuff too. So this is warp setup. And actually, now that I think about it, I should probably this is warp setup character and animation notification. Actually works. Blueprints. Notify. Boom. I got auto banned for 50 minutes. Sir, what did I do? Sir, why aren't you hearing me, sir? Let's treat Paul like a military officer for a couple minutes. Yeah.
I think it's just better for stopping.
That's absurd, sir.
Gee, we can add them back. What? He got typed out.
Anim notif. We're gonna add the anim notif. Montage notify. Where's the anim? Oh, we don't want that. What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know, chat. I am completely lost right now. We want to make a motion warp window. Motion warping. MW. That's not Modern Warfare. That's a motion warp. I sent some star emojis, and apparently the auto mod didn't like it. Well, it's probably because you sent them.
You're kind of spamming it, Googs.
I like how Chase can see it. He's like, yeah, you're trying to do more than just put 1 or 2 stars. You're trying to flood the entire channel. Isn't that ridiculous that he does that to us?
No, it's completely normal.
Rotation warp.
It gives us some drama.
Stop it. Stop. You know,
I miss Googs.
encouraging his behavior.
I'm not encouraging it. I'm just saying what he does is good.
And then, you know, last time, but we can also do on warp end. And we can do update. So I can update. On warp update. I can actually update the guy.
Can you now?
I can update the guy, dude.
Not the guy.
The guy can do it, yeah. Return value. We get a boolean. I guess this is to be like, yo, work. I put 6. Why 6 stars, huh? Why 6? Mr. Man?
What's wrong with 6, Rolly?
I don't know. What is? I just
I
want
don't know, you tell me. I'm gonna miss Googs. He buys me chocolate.
Oh yeah, I can promote to variable. Nice. Rename. My
Sure.
mesh. My mesh. Or actually,
We can't unban you.
we can
You
get
have to
my
wait.
mesh. And then we can get is the animation on the update as well? Just the modifier, root motion modifier object. Let's also promote this to a variable as well. What do you want, Chase? Goog was good while he lasted.
Yeah, don't worry, you're next, I will.
Oh, he got banned from the actual Discord.
No, I think it's just timeout.
How do I untime him out?
I think it's on mod view and you right click on them.
No, it's actually in Discord. Where is mod view?
You right click on them.
Right click. Oh yeah, 44 minutes, dude. How do I undo that timeout?
I think there's a remove, but I think that might remove it.
Remove.
I don't know
timeout.
what
There you go, buddy. Sorry about that, Goose. Sorry about that, man. Yeah, don't spam stars.
Hey.
He's like, I only put 6 because that's all it would let me before it banned me.
That was literally what it was. I thought I could put more than 6.
Oh, set. It can't be set as a new value.
And I thought it said 50 seconds, and I was like, oh, whatever, I'll wait it out. And then it was like, wait.
This is way longer than that. Yo, what do you mean that it's like these are read-only values? You can't set them. I'm getting the red value and putting it into a variable.
I don't know.
Crackhead stuff is this, dude? I thought I had something. I really don't.
That's okay, Rolly.
No, it's not. It's save on compile.
You'll find another way.
Success.
We will.
Stop it, little boy.
Who you calling little boy? Little boy.
Little boy. Talking all that
Yeah.
shit. No.
Good to know. Apparently 5 is the limit.
So why can't I make this
Yeah.
a variable? Can't set a new value. I'm not setting a new value. I'm reading the value and I'm importing it into a variable. That makes plenty of sense. Replication. There's no replication of time.
Replicate me.
There's got to be a way around this. Mesh component, the skeleton mesh object. And then it's like, if I had that, then I could just go into here, right? On, oh, received notified. begin on warp update. Then I could come in here and just be like, you know, get this and then. But to be honest, we don't want to do this. Oh yeah, we do want to do this. I don't receive notify begin. I keep thinking that's warp. Let's make a vote. Most votes. Guys, we need to vote. I'm gonna be real with you right now, Safe, with your track record. No one's gonna vote for the thing you want. 100%.
Yeah, he's got a few records on his name.
Yeah, you gotta clear those records first. So, no, it's just a simple vote. One free Lee. Oh, and Lee's like, yeah, I like this poll. When it works to his benefit, huh, Lee? Motion warp comp. I mean, I guess I could get this from here.
Smooth is an instrument? No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument.
But I don't want to do this every update. It makes no sense. I mean, I guess it is get owner. On warp end. Maybe we do it on warp end instead of every update. Will that work? Let's try it.
I'm on Nazareth Studios.
And if Bueno's still here, he vote.
Buenos went to sleep.
Why did he go to sleep?
I don't know, I'm just guessing.
You're just gassing?
Guessing.
Why are you gassing? Dude? Your motion modifier.
Alright.
Yeah, my voice sounds great. Thank you for...
Your mic used to be so good and so loud.
What, you want it loud again? I can do
Yeah.
that. I felt like it was way too powerful. Felt like I was abusing its power. You know?
You said you know, and I just went to a random point in the stream and you also said you know.
That's just a quirk of mine. I watched too much Naruto growing up. You know?
I'm worried about doing it too. I'm afraid that like if I do it, it's gonna be like that, you know?
MW rotation. Bad notify. W. Notify state. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So it'll turn it, but at the end it'll set it. Boop, it'll set it.
Oh,
Rotations of
really?
that, yeah. Yeah, boy. Little boy. He's like, alright, you're gonna have to cut that out, okay? I don't like that.
I'm gonna play a copyright song right now.
I'll just mute you.
I'll mute you.
I'll mute you first. I'm the fastest mute on the planet.
I'll mute myself.
I'll deafen myself.
I'll ban you.
And then you guys will be like, please come back and talk to us.
If you deafen yourself, we're gonna have a party here.
It's like, it reminds me of that jellyfish party that was going on in SpongeBob's house.
Yeah.
That's what that reminds me of. He's like, stop it! I can't do his voice. Hey, Plankton, stop it. Yeah, it's kind of weird. There we go. Yeah, bump. Set rotation. I feel like this could be scale.
Here comes copyright.
Al, you here? Al's probably working on the beans, man.
You know he
Working on the
loves his beat.
Rotation, right. Default. Facing. Character rotates to face the sync point. Yes.
Why did the Nitro use my own sticker? From my
Slurp.
own
Rotate
server?
with spherical linear interpolation. Yes. Yes. warp rotation. So let's kind of go back a little bit and go check out trace notify window. So we do this, do all that, but we also have, I believe, something where we warp stop, warp setup, and warp stop. Let's look at.
Oh, really?
Line trace window. Where is line trace window? Oh, we just have a regular motion warping. And then we get the motion warp. And then we...
The brush is gone. Only
I'm working on the beans.
Yeah, he's working on that.
He can't let you borrow it, dude. He's working on the beans. Motion warping. Now I'm a little concerned because I'm like, yo, what if this doesn't, since, you know, right? Maybe they have their own logic for motion warping. That's why we have a warp stop. A warp stop. In here, we can kind of annoy that. Warp stop. Remove warp.
Christian gained the following. We're still on enemy AI.
We're on enemy AI, dude. Add or update warp target location and rotation. Can I just do location?
Yeah, just get actual location.
Warp target name. We do the target location here. Target rotation. will just be add or update warp target from location and rotation. Maybe we could still do this in here. Set actor rotation.
Gray.
Feels like we gotta do this. Sounds like Goog's talking to himself somewhere. Well, what is the warp target? So the warp target has in this montage, we have this root motion with the warp target, obviously. We set it to facing, slurp, that's fine. I don't want to add that. I want to change it.
Oh, really?
Can you stop talking to me like that, dude? Oh, really?
You in what army?
I don't have an army, dude. God does. Holy Father does, dude.
God has everything. God is everything.
That's true.
So therefore, I am also God.
You can't get us... What is this, like 5th grade? We playing tag or something? We are free! You can't get us, I'm in a tree! You're too fat to climb it. Is that like a fat joke? Call me fat joke?
Fat.
Take that back. You're gonna be fat too if you keep eating all those Gregs!
No, I'm not.
He's like, oh man, I might.
No, I'm not.
Dude, you had that feeling at the end where it's like, maybe. Alright.
Thank you for letting me free.
In here, I'm just gonna try this out and see if this works. What is the
How am I
modifier?
supposed to
Root
watch
motion
this?
modifier object reference. Can I get rotation?
Safe, what game are you working on?
Get player pawn modifier. Don't be fair. Don't be fair. Be fair. I'm PHAT fat, bro.
Fat.
Rotation. Data. What is all this? I don't even know what the root motion modifier object reference.
What are you doing, Rolly?
Let's root motion modifier.
Oh, really?
Root motion modifier. There's got to be something, like, particularly in here. Nothing in there.
Safe, go work on your game. Because I know for a fact
He doesn't have a
finished.
computer. He's on his tablet, remember?
Alright. How's he making games on his tablet?
I don't know.
A fraction of a raindrop.
Faction
Oh,
of his
PowerPoint.
I don't-
Safe, go make a PowerPoint game.
Root motion. Force root lock. Force root bone lock even if root motion is enabled. Import rotation. ROA rotation. Import rotation. That's all we get.
What are you talking about, Safe? I'm still in here.
Paul, Lee is back home out of your basement. You don't own him. Oh. He's never been in my basement, dude. I don't even have one.
Stop trying to cover up your story.
The basement. The secret basement.
Secret basement?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to maybe what we do, because I'm trying to figure out how we get specifically the rotation from this. But
Have you watched the animation video?
what I have in here is probably the capability to add that somewhere in this mess of code, because we do get the direction and we could just get the rotation based off of the X. All right.
Uh-huh.
Yo, don't DDoS my house. I got a kid living here, bro. I got kids living here, bro.
Oh, really?
Kidnapping? No. That's not funny to talk about either.
Safe, you're on your second strike.
That's your second strike, dude.
One more strike and you're out for an
Kidnapping's not
hour.
funny. I have a kid. I have a daughter.
And we know she does not nap.
So sometimes she does, and it's nice when she does.
Mm.
But I remember when I was a kid, my mom used to make me take naps all the time. Paul is
That's when you
facing
were a kid.
consequences.
Back when you were a kid, they were making the pyramids.
Yeah, thanks. One day you're gonna be older, like back when you were a kid, they were making the Atari.
Back when I was a kid, Unreal was the best engine. And now, 50 years in the future, it's Godot.
Imagine. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised.
The engine.
I wouldn't be surprised. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna need to go into the Slithdion just to test this out. I can make a variable for like the enemy class. But I'm thinking what I could do is make a variable or like a rotator rename this turn rotation. Right? Make it public. Or not public, but if we go like that, we come into the task here. We basically get the, where is it? Once we minus this from here, we get the rotation here. X, and then we can actually I have to cast as my enemy character. I have to cast 2, which is not fun. This isn't fun. Because this is already like really spaghetti, in my opinion.
Let me. Yeah.
This makes me sad.
Give them some breathing room.
I get the FBI investigators.
What's the FBI gonna do?
But yeah, seriously, no more talk about stuff like that in here. It's not funny. Let's see. As I enemy Slithion, we do the turn. Was it turn? Yeah, set turn rotation. And then we can set that all the way over here. Moving left, moving right. That's not moving right. What the heck? If I'm moving left and rename. Not moving. Is not equal, not moving. Then I check to see if yeah, this is. Wait a minute. I never have a true.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Looks better. And we will actually, instead of doing this here, who's gonna invest in my country? I already told you I'm not investing. You never want investments, dude, because then they'll be like, "This is my country. I invested in it." And you'll be like, "Oh man, oh."
Safe.
And you won't
I
feel
said,
safe.
what country are you in?
So now that we get that, we get the owner. We can cast to
Judah.
Slithion. And essentially from here, get the turn rotation, get turn rotation.
You're in UA. What's UA?
Huh?
I think I'm good safe.
He'll give you a house, dude. Imagine
Yeah,
it's like a
I'd like
little, it's like a little tiny shack. He's like, it's a house.
House.
You're like, bro, this is not the house I imagined. We can't do this here. I mean, we could try that now. But essentially, when we play that, or any of those, it should do the thing.
What? Why
This is just about
Safe,
playing
like,
it at the end.
spamming the friggin' chat?
That's
Simply
just
play
safe
dogs.
normally.
That's just safe. He talks a lot.
I wouldn't say he spams, but does talk a lot.
It's
He
fine.
doesn't send 6 emojis at once.
He's super excited about his house.
I don't use dollars, Safe. I use rupees.
Trying to think of the things I can do. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Look at
Wow.
this dude. It's staying, I don't care.
I'm not Indian, and I don't eat curry unless it's Friday.
He likes shepherd pies, dude. That's it. Where- You don't like shepherd pies?
I know what you. No, they're nice. Yeah, just because I use rupees doesn't mean I'm Indian.
So let's see if this doesn't have a valid warp target. So it needs a valid warp target.
Oh, really? Yeah, but I could still be using rupees, and even if I was in India, it doesn't
Maybe
mean
I could use
I am
this.
Indian.
Maybe I could use this and just do a 90-degree rotation on it. But then I'd have to go back and remove the other thing. You still need a warp point animation. Warp target. This modifier. Well, if I'm using static, does it matter? Static.
I mean, it's a bit racist because of the curry talk. Safe.
Legend of Zelda.
Oh yeah.
Warp rotation. We just want to warp rotation. Rotation type. You know, I could just
Me
get.
too, Toxin.
I could just get. No, why do I keep doing that?
Lee. That's my name.
I could. We can get rid of all this stuff. We get the root target.
Across the house.
Ah! Jesus, I hate that. Just debug
Jesus
myself.
loves
Great.
you.
I'll have to delete this now. Why do they put all this stuff here, dude? It's for
What?
you. I don't care about Billie Eilish, dude.
Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish, dude. I don't care about her. I mean, I hope she's
honestly-
doing alright, but
She's only got one good song, in my opinion. Okay, now I just triggered like half the internet. And that song is No Time to Die.
so you have to specifically select it. Oh yeah, it's because I have this.
It's Billy Scottish.
Oh, don't go there. Don't you dare say us Scots have Billie Eilish. We don't like her either.
Let's see how I set this up. add or update, and then we give it a warp target. Billy Scottish. Billy Irish, that's true. That's true.
Not Billy Scottish.
Billy Eyelash. I know.
Yeah, the eyelash. Silly eyelash.
Let's think for one moment. Well, I'm tired. I'm waiting to sleep.
We now need a Billie Eilish and Billy Joel collaboration.
Mm-hmm.
Is Billy Joel even still alive?
Died 4 years ago.
So we get that rotation from the X. Let the
No,
I
he's
mean,
still
I
alive.
guess I could.
He's gonna die soon. Jesus loves you.
I mean, I could just do what I did here to get the turn rotation. Shit, actor rotation. But it's like, it's so dumb, dude. Do I have to really make another warp setup?
Mm-hmm.
For this? I'm trying to think of a better way. I just want him to rotate. I feel like the root motion should do that already. If he's not there, then he'll rotate back. And then keep walking. Right? We'll have to figure that all out, but for now, let's just try to get this working. Right? She's telling me need an
Tired
animation montage warp target. It's like, what warp target? I gotta give it a warp target.
Oh, really?
Maybe I just create a warp target here. Right? Instead of doing the turn
Laughlin Nevada
rotation,
has all the thrills, all
I
in
just
one
cast to
place.
this and get the
From
warp
jet skis and
target.
ATVs to gaming,
Warp.
and concerts on the Colorado River. Yep, it's all in Laughlin. Book your trip now at visitlaughlin.com.
Motion warping. Update. Or add or update. Rotation. We can do this. Rotation. Warp. We can get the rotation and the line end here. And go from there. I don't know. No, I guess it would do that. Because it is a part. It's just, you don't. Rotation warp. Rotation warp. And then in here, when I'm doing this, I can just set the actors. Instead of doing that, I just get motion warp prompt. So I could just literally say get warp, add, warp. So I guess I don't need to set the actor location per se. I probably want to add or update a warp target from location and rotation. And then from here, or no, add or update. We don't want to do that. It's already been done.
Brain stopped working.
Yeah, brain did stop working. So add or update. So we update the location, but we're not taking in consideration. What is this? This is the game release date. First of all, welcome Wintoxin to the stream, and I don't know, a couple months, man. There's a lot I'm learning in Unreal, especially with motion warping. I'm trying to figure out how to get him to, when he turns around and this ends, essentially just update his position, but I need a warp rotation, or yeah. Actually, I'm trying to get his, because we update it here, warp target name, right? And at the end, I want to essentially, well, you know what? Let's just save this and see if that does anything. But obviously, with that being done, after we turn, we're gonna want to remove warp target, rotation warp here, rotation warp. Yeah. So tell me, does this look like spaghetti to you guys? Because it does.
Yes.
Look at that. This is
Just
what.
make it a bit
just
more
for
clean.
brain. Just pull it out more. Just let it breathe a little bit.
They have no breathing room. Spread them out a bit.
You walk the other way. Yes. Dismiss.
Jesus loves you.
Access none trying to read. What do you mean access none?
I just know God's looking down and going, Kalen, stick to writing music. You are not a singer.
Get component by class.
Roy is a good singer.
Yeah, and he's not using his talent. It pisses me off.
Language. But yes.
Is valid. I don't know.
Saying pissing me off is not. That's not swearing.
According to Venus is.
All programming is spaghetti, true. He always walks to the right. But now he's stopped. Come on. It just won't do it because it's not valid. Why isn't it valid? Let's go to... Is this something in my enemy character? Do we have a warp? We don't have a warp. We don't have a warp motion. So there's no way to get it that way. Why
isn't this working?
I mean, we can cast to my enemy character. Maybe it's because... Maybe if I do this and use that instead of the enemy character, we use the control pawn. Maybe that'll work.
Maybe.
Let's see. Also, guys, friendly reminder to like and subscribe.
Join the Discord.
Yeah, you can join the Discord too if you want to hang out.
But I don't recommend it. Your ears will die. Alright, let me get the link.
Did we get that again? I mean, we didn't.
Yeah, I forgot to do that.
So we're still as enemy AI or AI enemy Scythian, which has the. Oh, it doesn't have a warp motion. We'll test this now and then we can add it later to the code. Editable. How do I activate? Let's try playing now. Probably why that didn't work.
Huh?
Yeah, see, he's stuck. I mean, he turned there and finally it worked. I need to test those cases out because I think what happens is it breaks and then he like...
Oh no.
Yep, he is not... I mean, it was said I was heard, but we're not doing anything. So, I'm just going to, if this is valid, print no warp comp. No warp comp. No, he's not even playing it. Sometimes he plays it, sometimes he don't. What's going on? Huh? That always cracks me up. Just knocks himself out. I want to add a character that does something like that into the game. Now when he gets here, he's stuck there forever. Let's enter into his vision. I can never do that again. Patience. It'll all come in time. Just need to keep hacking at it until it works. I'll be real with you guys though, this is kind of, I just wish this would work. So he's moving to the right now. Ah. Duh. I mean, at least we know that's working, though. Hey, it kind of worked. It kind of worked. But afterwards, he like... Look at him. Look at him go. You got this, buddy. There you go. Figured it out. Proud of you.
Where did Gigs go?
I think he left.
So he left me without saying goodbye.
He's probably someone called and he's talking to him or something.
Maybe.
I mean, we know the motion warping's working. But in the motion warp, I would like to turn off. I think I already did. Right? No, I didn't. Yeah, I did turn off. Warp cancellation. Let's see if that helps. Right? I mean, now it's working. Although, let's look at these. Turn right. Did you message him personally? And let him know? Hey, no playing, no game. I'm doing great, man. Welcome to the stream. Sorry for the late reply. I'm kind of deep in this. That's crazy. I didn't catch that. Typically, I'm really good at seeing people entering into the chat. I apologize. And everything's going good. Just trying to figure out the whole getting a turn animation in so things look a little bit more fluid on the AI side of things. Right now, it's not decent at all. I mean, he'll turn, but he kind of rotates way too much. I think now there's several things going on with this. It has to do with his random location. Or his turn 2 function. Right now I have it based off of the player. So, you know. Yeah, he's like turned left. But then I should have him not only turn, but I should also have it wait. I think that has to do with it. Wait. Like 0.2 seconds. Let's see if that helps. Because the idea is if he turns around and sees you, then he'll chase you. Like if he hears you, he'll turn around. And that looks like it's working a whole lot better. But there's still like an issue where he's turning too much. Did you ask him where he went, Googs?
Hmm?
Did you ask where Googs went?
I was supposed to do that.
I don't know. You're the one who seemed like... So look, he does this over and over again. Sometimes he'll reach the full like turn. But it looks like he goes from, and he's still walking to that random position. The only thing that will stop that is like another move too. It's a little interesting. Come on. No! I mean, he's already looking left, but because he hears me, we'll have to fix that eventually. That'll make him turn.
Every animation.
Huh?
Nothing.
Oh man, I'm so hungry. I'm about to go grab some banana bread.
Make some toast. I'll look after the stream.
No, you won't.
Yeah, well.
Back. I'm gonna mute
Everyone
myself
loves
so he
me.
can't say some absurd stuff.
Yeah. I heard that.
I heard that too.
That was quick.
I just grabbed some banana bread that we made.
Did you get a glass of water?
Mm-hmm.
Did you wash your hands?
Mm-mm.
Did you walk the dog?
Yeah.
Did you check the child?
You forgot to say, did you walk the cat?
Did you walk the cat?
It was ridiculous, man.
I have been summoned.
Where'd you
Who
go?
dares disturb my slumber?
Where'd you go?
Gigs, I missed you.
Hi.
Hi.
Capping harder than a cap. No cap to that, dude.
No, I'm sure you'll let me safe. Everybody does on the server. If you would at everybody in this server and ask, do you love Chase? They all will say yes. Guaranteed.
Jesus.
Jesus loves you.
It's banana bread, bro. Big difference. It's bread with bananas in it, mixed into the flour. The flour absorbs the bananas flavor. Tastes really good.
I want a banana.
He's like stuck in this. He's like still moving. To the player. I guarantee he's gonna get like. Let's see if he falls off the edge.
How much what? Safe. Nah, Chase Lee isn't that stupid. He'll know.
Chase Lee is the smartest man to ever exist.
Exactly. And Googs is the best music composer ever to live.
Of course, yes. You see, Raul, you fail to understand. You have quite the team here.
I know.
Like, really?
Well, you have a music composer, a awesome idea person.
By the way, he goes to other servers that have other. I've now been informed of this that have other other game devs, and he flaunts me. He goes, "Oh, my composer." It's like
Yeah, you're the composer on the team.
my composer. You own me.
You're-
Am I? Dad? Wait, let's do the math here. Okay,
Fine, I'll just say the composer for the da-da-da is now da-da-da-da-da-da.
Hold on. You're what? 34 minus 18. So you had me at 16. Okay.
Legal in the UK.
What?
Illegal
That's what
in
you
the
think?
UK.
Legal in the UK.
Yeah.
Technically, yeah.
Thank God I'm not in the UK. But you know what I think this is I don't clear this when it's done. So the reason why it keeps turning over and over again and like it'll stop after I'm perceived is because I'm doing this multiple times. I'm not necessarily saying like, okay, you've turned, don't turn again. So what I need to do is clear it in here. Or at least have a task that clears. Because I
I'm
do
not
want
for
it to
sale.
wait.
Safe. I'm not for sale. Unless Googs can buy me. No one else.
How much?
I don't know. Ask Safe.
I say you're priceless.
Oh, thank you.
I don't think I can put a price on you.
I'm getting scared.
This feels oddly gay.
Getting
No.
scared.
Safe. You
Mom,
forget
help.
all punctuation.
Mama, help.
That's because he sent, like, literally. Oh, hold on. I am going to count these, okay? Hold on. 1, 2,
I can-
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67,
We
60.
get it. It's a lot. Okay, we get it. We get it. It's a lot.
Hold on. No. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. 93 messages in the last, I don't know, 20 minutes.
Bananas. Nanner.
He has one deleted message. Safe, how are you getting 9 timeouts?
Safe. It's fine, man. He's interacting. Right? Nothing wrong with that. It's just some of the things he says sometimes. I don't think he thinks about what he's saying before he says it. But that's cool. That's fine. We all got something to learn.
Yeah, for Raleigh, it's having a clean blueprint.
For you, it's keeping your opinions to yourself.
That's how I'm famous. I share my opinions out. Everybody loves me and my opinions.
No, people love my opinions. That's when I have an opinion, they capitalize the O and the P because they know that it's overpowered. All right?
Sorry, what? Wasn't listening.
Whatever.
Oh well, I'm gonna
That's why I
start a
don't-
poll up.
I want to start a pull up. You're gonna start doing a pull up?
No,
How many can you do?
a poll.
I see. I can maneuver words too. I'm a word maneuverer. Before we do all this though, this never gets here because we finish and execute. So we never remove the warp target, which is interesting. Not interesting. Honestly, this is why I like to get references. I mean, I could do that and then just,
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
I'm gonna put some music on.
Let us do that. We'll do this. We will pull off a little bit.
I need a hero.
Are you singing? I need a hero. So Lee, I'm selling bananas 200 rupees each. What is that, like 2 seconds? Now I gotta deafen for a bit. Until there we go. Now you made Googs leave. You know Googs doesn't like that song, right?
He loves the song. Oh well.
Okay, I gotta mute again. This guy's trying to get me copyright strike. Chat. No. I will not buy any bananas. I don't trust the bananas you're selling, dude. I'll be real with you right now. Watch.
I can't spell sorry for my life.
I'm sorry.
It took me a few times to spell sorry.
I'm sorry. It's fine. But yeah, we gotta do something to essentially make it be like, yo, we already turned. Don't turn again.
I need a hero.
Essentially, before all of this, we could just be like, have we turned already? Have we already turned? If we've already turned... Yeah, see, that's why I don't buy them. You put uranium inside of it and radium. That's why you don't buy anything from Safe. It's not safe. It contradicts the name.
Don't buy from Safe. It's not safe.
Obviously, it would just be a bull that we would set in here, but success. But the thing is I'd have to make it. I would have to make it either a. I'm thinking a blackboard. Yeah, I'd have to make it a blackboard. As is turned? I don't know. There we go. I'll be real with you guys. I'm getting kind of tired of trying to figure this out. Is turned. Or blackboard. Get blackboard. Set bool. Value as bool. No? Well, whatever. Compile. Is turned. I believe that is it. Yep. But lowercase. Let's rename to a capital I. Error. Error.
Error.
AI blueprint helper. Target must be connection. What is the target? Shouldn't it be able to get the blackboard? Get blackboard.
Mm-hmm.
Get owner's blackboard. There we go. And we want to set this to true. Can we do
So
that?
just go blank space.
We can. But we can't do both. That wouldn't make sense.
You got a point.
Lee can't chase. But Chase can Lee.
What?
That's what he said. Hashtag Lee can't chase.
I'm crying now.
You're not crying.
You want to hear me cry?
Eee! That's what I imagine it sounds like.
No, this is me crying. Just give me a second.
He's trying to find a good soundboard. What? Get value as bool. Key name. Now I gotta rename this thing. It has turned. I don't know. Or is turned.
Sit add.
I pressed B and I clicked. Didn't work. Like, let him breathe. Let the BP breathe. For the love of God. Bow, bow, bow. Now he's not turning. Now he's not turning. Oh, if it's false, that's why. Why do I keep doing that? I'm just not in the game today, man. All right. Well, he kept moving. Now what is he doing? What is he doing? Let's look at him. He's stuck in turn 2 player.
Safe. I'm going to ban you from life.
What is that? What is it that breaks this? It should at least... Is it because we're not finishing on execute?
Do you not eat?
I mean, he continues to his path. No, he selects another path after that. And if that path isn't... I mean, we should wait afterwards for a bit, shouldn't we? I mean, 0.2 seconds, granted, isn't long at all, so... Let's just put 1 for now. I mean, there. He's not even waiting, bro. He kept moving, walking. What is
I
this?
want to watch some safe videos.
He keeps walking to his destination. This is ridiculous. And then he won't move again. He moves to the random... Oh, you know what it is? I have to... In here... If any of these are false, I have to finish execute. No success. No success. I wonder if that will... push forward the wait and essentially end, because I'll still be is heard. So maybe I should make is heard. Yeah, there's just a lot of bulls I have to put in here. This is ridiculous. I'll have to definitely put this in code or something. I don't know. But if it is true...
Eat greens. Chasely eat bananas. And that's canon now. Chasely can only eat bananas.
Yeah, he's stuck here. He goes there. So we also have to clear... one, his vision needs to be enhanced, because it's kind of funky how far he can actually see. Should see a lot further than that. But 2, it's because we don't clear. We have, when we're finishing like this, we have to clear this blackboard value, which is not the is turn, but key make literal name, because I'm not gonna do all this. Set bool value, go true, and then finish execute. And then
Why is every ad Opera GX?
what is it? Is heard. And that's a capital I. We'll have to say we're no longer is heard. And then we'll have to do the same down here. False. Boom. Compile. And then when we finish executing before here, we're also going to have to set this bool up as well and essentially do the same thing. which is
Why is this guy making it so?
what do I gotta what? Make it so weird?
Huh?
Because there's a lot of bulls in here, and it's bullhickey. There's bullhickey.
Ooh, he does got a point. He's got a point there.
You have to buy them, or starve. I don't know.
Rice.
I feel like I should make all of these a success, or else it should, yeah, it should break on no success. But I think the issue is we're not clearing that is herd value.
I mean, it's all right. Like,
Come on, F8, dude. Yeah, he just goes into wait. Just keeps doing this. See? Goes to turn. Turn. I mean, he sees me. When he sees me, he'll do that.
what is he doing?
A lot of things. Crazy he can hear me from that far. Come on.
Sorry.
He'll continue to his random. If this breaks, it'll still... What is going on? I'm kind of annoyed right now.
Do something else that's too much for today.
I'm going to be getting off here in the next 15 minutes. I got to work on that devlog.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that works. It works when he's... At least we got the rotations working. Now it's just all coming down to... I mean... Kind of works.
Kinda works.
I mean, it goes back and he doesn't turn again. Right?
Mm.
Yeah.
Feature all these problems.
I'm trying to think, maybe, because I know that this observes and aborts. Observe aborts. It aborts everything from down here. If he's moving somewhere, it should, you know, maybe I need to clear. Get random location, AI move 2. Is there like a AI clear? Ignore restart self. Now he waits until... But he still's moving. Why is he moving? It's like one of those things that'll work when I restart the project, right?
Probably.
Yep. It's because he's still moving. That's what's making it act up. Is it doesn't clear this stinky move to... he still moves to that location. I don't get it. It's supposed to literally, you know, abort this sequence. So whatever's going on here should just stop. Right? So do I need to like clear that in here before I move or I turn? But it's like I can't do that because there's no, you know, movement result, ePath follow result. Can I clear? Remove? I can remove. I can remove the result, but it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, if he's not... I mean, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. We have everything clearing. We have the is heard clearing, which means he should back out of here. Set value is bool. It's probably because it's internal, not external. But the idea is that, like, yo, if one, he makes the turn, it goes through here, whether or not it's going to, is heard is going to be set to nothing. And that should automatically dip out of this. Maybe I have to make a personal task for this. We'll have to learn key query is heard, observe both, self, lower, or both. Nodes aborted by mode, nodes aborted by mode self. So I can essentially, by setting this, abort myself. That's what I'm getting from, not myself, but this task. It will abort this task and it'll abort itself if this is set. Is changed. Restart on every change of observed Blackboard value. So first of all, I'm going to remove all these. Maybe we get rid of these. I don't know. Compile.
What's the longest word in the English alphabet? Safe.
I think I know. What was the song? Expialidocious? Califragilistic expialidocious. Yeah. Bro, that's califragilistic-expialidocious. Extraordinarily good. I guess they really had to emphasize that with the long name. It's so good that we had to give it a long name.
Yeah.
I mean, that worked, but it made him turn right. It made him turn the opposite direction. See that? And I think it has to do with the animation montage. It means it's playing this and then skipping to this and then doing that, which it shouldn't be doing. And that is because this is here, I believe. Let's try it now. I think because it started kind of in that area. Turn right, start. Can you just move? Why does it do that? Look. That should not be a difficult thing to move. I'm getting memed on right now by getting memed on. That's what it feels like. But yeah, he'll keep moving. You know, if he hears me, he'll turn and then he'll turn back and keep moving to that area. Look, see? It's like he doesn't even finish the full rotation. And it's not playing the right rotation, which should be right. It should play right. You know, if we're here and he's moving this way, he should turn this way. If he's this way, he should turn that way. So on and so forth. I do need to fix the feet, though. Look at that.
The feet is gorgeous.
We'll fix that in a future animation. But for now, you know, look at that. I mean, we're getting it to the point where it at least works. But there's definitely some logic that's holding me back. So I'll probably have to do something to figure that out. Come on. I hate that. I know you're lying. Why does it not... You know what it could be is that it's like aborting itself and then moving to that position because I have it set to both. What if I change it to lower priority, but not to self?
Cheese. Do you guys like cheese?
No. But yeah, as you can
Why?
see, he's still...
I love cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese.
You know what? I'm just going to remove... I'm going to remove this. So he stops moving around.
Oh, can you let me move again?
Why does it play? It doesn't, it's like it doesn't play the right animation. Right there it plays the right animation. Right there it plays the right animation.
What is it you're trying to do with Chaseland?
Works great there. Yeah, it's the move to function. Definitely, at least we can now work on this and get this turning correctly, but I think it has to do with, turn right start. Maybe I'm not spelling that right.
Oh yeah, spelling this right.
Oh, nope, it's spelt right. It is spelt right. Nice. Definitely not something easy like that. Turn left. Turn right, start. I'm just going to do turn left or turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Yeah, he still plays the first animation and then skips to the last. Maybe it's in here. Maybe it's in this montage area. Turn right. Nope. I have the turn right working correctly. I have the turn left working correctly. Maybe I just don't... I remove the link here. And I'll remove the link here. This is what I'm talking about. This stuff confuses the holy crud out of me. Like, that should just play that sequence. Why does it play this and then go there? It should just start from here and that's it. Yeah, and it still freaking does it, dude. Why does it play the first portion of that and then switch over to the other one? This is ridiculous. It's making me mad. What am I doing wrong? Like, he turns a little bit to the left and then goes a little bit to the right. Do I need to start this more? Do I need to start this right here? Maybe it has to do with blending? I don't know. Let's try it with the left. Let's try it with the left. Let's see what happens with the left. You know, and yeah, it looks like he plays like a segment of the turn right, then he switches to turn left. What is going on? We need to look at this. Maybe it's got to be something to do with
Where's Nightfall?
well, he's looking left. He's not moving though. Woohoo! Yeah, he just plays montage play, turn left. It was ridiculous, man. He like plays another animation and then or he like plays one part of the montage and then plays the other one. So it's like I feel like I need to just separate them and use them differently. And I have to have one for left and one for right. And that's exactly why I don't do combos, is because of this stuff right here. It's not intuitive at all, by any means necessary. Like, I'm playing turn left. Sorry to make this like a complaint thing, but I'm playing turn left. I have turn left playing until turn end. If we preview this, you'll see it. I've even excluded, and if I play turn left end, now it'll play some of that extra sequence where we go right here because I had to move this over here because I'm trying to figure out why, for the love of game dev, this is working in the manner it does. If I go from turn right and I play, or I preview and I play, you'll see that it's only this. This is it. I give it some time to blend out, just very much like I've done here, and maybe that's the issue. Maybe I need to add something else here to call it the end, and then we might not get that. I don't know. Let's try it. Our end. And then we'll put here L end. You know, but these things are going to be right on top of each other. L end. R end. Remove link. Turn right end. No, we don't want this. Remove link. Turn right end. R end. Play. Turn left. Turn right. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, see, he's still... What is that, dude? Is it the warp animation? Is it because of the warp animation that's... Do I need to get rid of the warp animation? Is that what it is? Let's see if he turns around now. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's the warp animation. But he doesn't turn his entire body to where it needs to go. It's like the warp animation tries to correct itself, even though... Let's just do default and see what that does. Default, slurp, slurp with clamped rate, constant rate. But yeah, I mean, it works. He'll completely rotate around when it's the... we'll probably see that turn around too. You know what it is that it's turning the opposite direction. I guarantee you, if we were to change, let's try changing, which is going to be weird. Let's try changing this, because I want him to turn facing the camera, not, you know, the other way around. Turn left. Yeah, I mean, even then he still does it. It's like he rotates one way, then rotates back. Constraint engine, persistent, yada yada, I don't care. What I need to do is just... And it even... Okay, yeah. And it... If I have it on facing, it like warps. Or default, it messes it up. It messes it up facing. Warp rotation. Advanced. Notify caller. Event. Trigger weight. Warp point. Skew warp. Maybe we do scale. I don't know. Let's try scale. Get a full range of the things we have here. But if you notice that, we've lost. Yeah, and he doesn't... I mean, it's obviously the warp animation doing this. It's the skew warp. Rotation warp. Rotation warp. Static. Warp point defined by a hard-coded transform user can enter through warping notification. What was that? Negative 90? You know, maybe this is... Yeah, we'll try negative 90. Warp point animation. I mean, it works. He does like a 180, or he does a, you know, the only issue is that when it happens, he's tilted a little bit, if you saw. But, you know, yeah, that works. It just doesn't update the full rotation. Like, he'll look at me and then shoot back. If we do none. If we do none. Hey, what's up, Ava, Sarah? If we do this one and do this one and then come here, you know, it works. Now he's all messed up. Is it because I got to put on facing? Yes, that is what it is. That is what it is. Come in here. Facing. Facing, facing. Warp, rotation, warp. Warp. Yeah. Have a nice day. No, you didn't offend me the other day. I was just a little nervous about something. No, you're completely fine. Have a nice day. Let's see here. So now it's not even playing it. So I guess I do have to put this turn left start. But it definitely has to do with the warp. But we need the warp in order for him to actually rotate, like with the rotation or animation. Right? But now, even now, it's not working. I'm going to try something really quick. I'm going to save. Yes, miss. God bless. I'm going to save this. I'm going to restart. And hopefully that works. Because I think there was an issue or an error. So a lot of the stuff we just saw there probably wasn't working correctly anyways. I'm too frustrated to deal with this right now. We had it working. Now it's not working. I'm going to get off, take a break, work on something else. Sorry for the lack of progression in this stream, guys. Hopefully next time we're on, we can find some way to get this actually working. I'll probably watch a video on this to really see, because I know someone's had to have done this. So I'm just going to watch some like enemy AI videos and see how people typically handle like a case scenario where there's some alert system going on. Kind of go from there. To be honest, I think I'm just going to start. I could just make it a left and right movement where they move from left to right. That is another valid option. I just thought it would be cool to maybe have some perception in here so you can't just run up and dink people, because you know the left and right movement is very Mario-esque, but the issue with that is it's not like an open world game or a open procedurally generated level or room, whatever you want to call it, where you can randomly roam around. And I think because of that, it calls for a little bit more intellect in the AI or the enemies. So with that being said, I think we'll stick with having perceptions and stuff like that included in the game. But it just means we're going to have to put in a lot more work, and there's going to be a lot more time put into the project. So, yeah. If you're, learning, you can go ahead and learn along with me. So if you haven't already, click that follow button or the subscribe button if you're on YouTube. And make sure to like the video. But until next time, God bless everyone. And Christ of Nazareth, he loves you. Yeah. Peace, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place, same friendly face.